We will save this Blender animation as MP4 video. First, go to the Output tab, then set the resolution and frame rate for your exported Blender video. Under End, set the final frame of your animation so it won't continue to render static frames. Under Output, set your saved video directory. Under Media Type, select Video, then under Encoding, select MPEG4. This will save it as MP4 video format. Go to Render, then Render Animation, and wait for the rendering to finish. All done. Please subscribe.